Hey guys, this is why can't I add a YouTube link to the bottom of my ConvertKit emails. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand more. So guys, the number one reason is make sure that the YouTube video is publicly available. So make sure it is not a private video because private video cannot be embedded in emails. So guys, in order for you to add a video into your ConvertKit, just simply place the cursor in the location of the email where you want the video to appear. And from there, on the left side, guys, you should be able to see there the plus button icon. So just simply click on that and a drop down will show up and just simply go for the video option. And after that, guys, a pop-up will show up and just simply paste the URL of the YouTube video in the URL field on the pop-up. And from there, ConvertKit will automatically process the video and you should be able to display it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.